Yeah, I'm picking you off.
What did it get stuck? Oh.
Yeah, they get stuck.
Sounds funny, don't it?
It's going reverse.
Blah, 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 blah,
If
blah.
he gets up there, he won't do that. You get it on my pond, go. Need to take it on my pond, Tom. We got more of a straightaway. By the time it planes out, you got turned.
Well, you don't got to turn 90 fucking degrees.
What? It's off, man. What I'm telling you, it's like you're turning it sharp, but barely turning it.
It turns sharp when you do barely turn it. You just got to barely turn it.
See, to the left, it ain't going very good. It's barely.
Man, I'm upside down.
Well, that ain't good. That ain't good.
He's silly.
Yeah, they'll flip back over.
Why are you just sitting
Yeah,
there?
my grandpa's down a lot bigger. It turns a lot sharper to the left. See how sharp that was?
Damn.
Ain't got much of a reverse to it.
No.
They're fast.
He's going through fast, just sliding right up on there.
Okay, we're taking turns. See who can get stuck the most. Dad's at 2. Michael's winning so far.
Well, if it's getting stuck the most, he'd win. He did it twice.
No, I'm just playing, Dad. I love you.
That don't sound good. Oh, shit. I thought it was turn sharper. Dan's still leaking, isn't it?
Yeah. It busted loose.
You did a good job fixing it.
No, it isn't. It fucking done busted.
Well, it's better than it was.
Hey, look, come here.
Yeah, I've seen it.
And that hole there, it's going in that hole and running out.
But it looks better than it did.
Don't.
You're faster now.